Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker coming to you live. We're going to be up and at 'em in just 9 minutes and 30 seconds. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange open. Gold and silver are ticking up. Are we about to break $90 an ounce live? We're going to find out in just 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Please smash that like button. We're only 30 subscribers from 69,000. Share the stream. It's going to be an epic one, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be live in just 9 minutes and 10 seconds answering your questions, breaking the gold and silver news. 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Who's ready? Smash the like. Well, we've got Greece in the house. Welcome to Greece. What other countries do we have in the house? Here we go. We've got England in the house, America in the house. Gwinnett County, Georgia. There you go. We got Washington State. We got Texas. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 8 minutes, breaking down the gold and silver news of the day. And boys, there are a lot. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange open. And ladies and gentlemen, spoiler alert, we're about to gap up. I've got breaking gold and silver news. I got some free silver for one of you. I'm going to be breaking it all down and show you what I'm talking about here in just 7 minutes and 40 seconds. We've got Missouri, we got New Mexico, California, whoa. Alabama in the house, we got planet number 9. Oof. North Carolina in the house, we got Florida. We've got the Philippines, Coma Estaca. We got Winter Springs, Florida in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 7 minutes and 15 seconds. We're going to watch the Shanghai Futures Exchange gap up, dare I say it, ladies and gentlemen. Answering all your questions, helping you read the tea leaves. Just 7 minutes away. Please smash the like button. Please subscribe. Please share the stream. And I just tweeted out this live stream, so please go retweet it on X. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 6 minutes and 50 seconds away.
From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page.
Who's still stacking? Who's standing up against the big bankers? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 6 minutes and 15 seconds, breaking it all down. Smash the like, share the stream. It's about to go down in just 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Let's go! Thank you, Chris Simic. Please smash that like button. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 5 minutes and 25 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news of the day. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange gap up together. It's going to be wild. I need you all to buckle up, grab a beverage, sit back, relax, enjoy the stream, and why don't you go ahead and tap that like button while you're at it. We're going to be live here in just 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches on.
Hey, Gary Croft says, every time you ask someone to subscribe, tell them it's free. You'll be surprised how many don't know this. It's science. Whoa. Subscribing is free, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you do it. We're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 40 seconds here. Thank you, Gary Kraft.
Watch it grow, giveaways for all. Feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 4 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking it all down. We're going to watch the Shanghai Futures Exchange open together. It's going to gap up. We're going to cover the breaking gold and silver news and so much. Thank you so much, Lisa Anderson, saying, let's get John some soup.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight.
Tonight.
Dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow.
Let's
Give
go.
away for all.
Let's
Feel
go.
the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, I was just pinging silver. If you heard that, we're about to be live in 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Thank you, Oli Stacker, for that flamin' chili. We're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the Shanghai Futures Exchange gap up together. It's about to be live. Smash the like button if you're ready. Let's go. Let's go. We're only 17 likes away from 200. Let's do it before we're live.
Strong, silver, gold, where you belong.
Break it down now.
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Smash the like button. Share the stream. Let's go. Shanghai's about to gap up majorly, ladies and gentlemen. Buckle up. Here we go. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's get a crab dance going. Drop a crab in chat right now. Get your claws up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 1 minute and 45 seconds, breaking it all down. We're going to see Shanghai gap up. Who's ready? Who wants free silver and gold? Put free in chat if you want it. Channel members drop the mega ga. Get your claws up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live. The Shanghai Futures Exchange is about to have an explosive open in just 1 minute. Smash the like. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Do you guys want the old school intro, the little kid intro, or the crab migration? Which one do you want? Let me know ASAP. You got 36 seconds to let me know. Better hurry. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, you guys want the migration, I see. You guys want the migration, I see. Okay. I'm going to put something together special for y'all. Here we go. Here we go.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical stacker crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
One stacker on a journey
To find
silver.
International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Over 2,200 videos on gold and silver adventures, and ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe it. We're literally only 29 subscribers away from 69,000, and that will trigger the big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. And, sorry, I had to cough. Silver's been on a interesting day today. Big beatdown today, big smash down. But right here on this DTB formation, it all turned around. We hit a low of $83.07 on silver today, and we just hit a high. We just took out our next target on silver here. Ladies and gentlemen, we literally on silver just hit $87.68. We're about to have an explosive open here, and we did have a gap. Look at here. We had a Gappy McGapperson. That gap has not been filled. OMG. That was right at 6 p.m. Right at 6, we had this little gap here. It's a microcosm. It's a little micro machine, but we're going to have to address that here in a little bit. Gold, silver futures is 88.26. Look at that. Man, guys, buckle up. We're going big tonight. We're going big tonight. Let's check out gold here. We hit a high today of 4,774.09. We hit a low of 4,638. We're currently trading on a green candle here at 4,722.75. And thank you, Chris, for that laughing disco ball. I appreciate that. Feel like I'm in a disco right now. You guys like the new music on the stream? I think it's just fantastic. Gold to silver ratio, ladies and gentlemen, just plummeted to a recent low. 54.01 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold is what it's at next. But it literally just broke 54. It was just 53.93 ounces. And thank you for that laughing disco ball. I appreciate it. Here it is right here, ladies and gentlemen, the big La Bamba, the Shanghai Futures Exchange. We're about to see this open here in just about 17 and a half minutes. It hit a high today of $98.17, a stone throw away from 100 there in Shanghai. It hit a low of $93.96, and it closed right here on this green candle, 95.93. So, with the current price action of silver at 87.59, if we were to open right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go out on a limb. I'm going to say it. We would be gapping up to here. We would be gapping up to here, and I'm going to ask you when we get a little bit closer. It's right around the corner. But are you going to be team red? Are you going to be team green? Are we gapping up or gapping down? Actually, we're going to go even higher. We're going to go even higher. We're going to go to probably right here. Probably right here, we're going to be gapping up. Are we about to break $100 an ounce in Shanghai tonight? Smash the like button if you think we are. I think we may possibly be headed in that direction, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you, Josh, for that gold coin. Now, I've got a bunch of breaking gold and silver news for you here tonight, but I have two things to show you real quick. Two things. First off, ladies and gentlemen, I want to shout out Bill. Bill sent me this treasure chest. And in this treasure chest is 2 ounces of silver. Now, here's the challenge. Whoever eventually gets John Soup is going to get both of these 999 fine silver rounds, but that's not all. Chris Simic sent to the mill a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle coin. That will soon be going in this treasure chest. It's going to sit right here and probably get more stuff in it. That is the new bounty to get John Soup. So, it might actually be something really fun here if you get John Soup. So that's going to pay. And you're going to get 3 no soup for John shirts. Thank you, Larry, for that emoji. I appreciate it. But we're going to jump right here into the breaking gold and silver news. So please smash the like button. Please get excited. And if you're lucky, in a little bit, I'll show you my silver turtle. What does that mean? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I was about to do the news, but Fingers just gifted 10 International Stacker memberships. Those went to Dilly. It went to Ari. It went to Nathan. It went to Darla, Grand, Anthony, Mary, Maximus, It went to Mr. Sneaky. It went to Stigma. Congratulations. Say thank you to Fingers9 for those custom channel member emojis. Check out your new, oh my gosh, Michael D. Michael D just gifted 10. Okay, let's go back here for a second. Hold up. Michael D just gifted 10 memberships. That went to Shell. It went to Currency. It went to Compton. It went to Fly. It went to Met. It went to Christian, Jet, Fly, Divine. It also went to Just Jerry and Golden Bubbles and Miano. Congratulations. Say thank you to Mike D. I'll see all you guys in the next War Room, which will be tomorrow morning. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. What's this stuck to my sign? A big shout out to Mr. Doughboy and Susie. I commissioned him to make me 2 of these. This is a silver turtle. It's made out of 90% silver. He made one for me for my son. I did pay for it. I sent the silver and I paid for it. So there's my turtle. But don't tell Rat Stacker. I got her one of those for her birthday. I think she's going to absolutely love it. So thank you, Mr. Doughboy, for making those for me. Okay. I hate to say it. No soup for John.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And we are getting a BRC candle here, a big red candle forming here. We'll see if they can hold us off or not, ladies and gentlemen. But let me break into this news here. I've got a lot of important stuff for you guys to hear and some shocking news, as a matter of fact, this evening. So the worst U.S. winter wheat crop in 30 years, and fertilizer shortages are getting absolutely worse. U.S. winter wheat conditions just dropped 28%, the lowest reading in 3 decades, ladies and gentlemen. At the same time, we're seeing major disruptions in the fertilizer supply due to the ongoing issues in the Strait of Hormuz. This is a dangerous combination: poor crop conditions, tight fertilizer availability, higher input costs for farmers. If you're a farmer and you're seeing some effects from the fertilizer shortage in the Strait of Hormuz, put I'm affected. Put I'm affected in chat. Let me see. But if you want the information on the downturn, you can read it right here. Let's go to the next piece of news here. Another major ripple effect from the Strait of Hormuz crisis. Reports are emerging that Mobil and Shell have warned major retailers, including Costco and Walmart, of upcoming shortages in packaged motor oil. This stems from damage to Shell's massive Pearl GTL plant in Qatar, one of the world's largest producers of high-quality base oil used in synthetic motor oils. If confirmed, this is yet another real-world consequence of the ongoing disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz. So there we go on that. Here's the next piece of news here. Copper surges to all-time record high. And guys, if you don't know, my website is live, internationalstacker.com. You can click here, live metals. And down here you can see gold, silver. Here's copper. Copper did break out into an all-new high today, $6.56. We got platinum on here. We got palladium. And you asked, I added it, the gold to silver ratio. And it's better if you change this one to a line. So that's the gold to silver ratio. You guys could play with that on here at your request. I tried to add the Shanghai Futures Exchange, but I forgot. You can't add it on a website for free. I had to sign an agreement for that. I forgot about that. So unfortunately, I can't add that, but I added the gold to silver ratio on there for you. Internationalstacker.com. Go check it out. Have fun. Now, here we go. The drain. Does the drain continue? Silver COMEX vaults, they didn't drain. They just added over 1 million ounces. Big inflow today, but it does not affect registered. May 11th activity, 1 million ounces in. Let's look. So look here. Asahi took in 1.1 million ounces. C&T lost 51,000. Brinks shifted some from eligible to registered. So did Delaware. So did Monfra. So we had 84,000 shifted from eligible to registered, and a net inflow of 1 million ounces into the COMEX. But there's big stuff coming with the COMEX, guys. Don't let that trick you. There is big stuff coming. It's basically been a continual drain. And here's the next piece of news. President Trump just dropped $18.6 billion on critical minerals, but it's heavily lopsided towards rare earths. According to the new mining.com article, the Trump administration has committed $18.6 billion in loans, equity, and grants. Rare earths are getting the vast majority of that funding. Other critical metals like tungsten, antimony, nickel, cobalt, etc. are being left behind. There's more here if you want to go read about it. But basically, the government is starting to stack. So far, it's not gold and silver that we know of, but we know they are building a new supply. Look at the strategic supply they had back in the day. They sold it off for pennies on the dollars in the 80s, in 1881. Minted from the U.S. Strategic stockpile for silver. We know from a speech they have one for the military, and they're working on one for civilians. So the U.S. government is stacking. And Okie Stacker just gifted a membership that went to your Sarus. Congratulations. Say thank you to Okie. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, and I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Okay, now I need your guys' help on this next piece of news here. A big piece of news here. Oh, and Still City Stacker says, got my Mrs. IS coffee. It's mega good. I'm glad you like it, Still City. How many of you guys have gotten to sip that coffee yet? How did you like it? And Oli Stacker gifted a membership, and that went to Napoleon Duh. Congratulations, Napoleon. Say thank you to Okie Stacker. Let's go to our correspondent in the field to see if John got soup. Hey, Cargo Bob, we're downtown Key West right now. You want to go get some soup?
No soup for John.
Oof, so sorry, John, but here we go. Now, I've got mixed signals on this one, ladies and gentlemen, and look at John. No Soup John says Napoleon got soup. No soup for John. Okay.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Okay, we're on this piece of news here. Now, I need your help because it says two different things. So first off, there's this report that just got updated on the 1st. That's 11 days ago. UBS slashed their silver price forecast. Here are their new targets. End of June, they went from 100 to 85. September, they went from 95 to 85. December, they went to 85 to 80. March, they went 85 to 75. But look at this. Weimer, Silver Baron, he saw a Bloomberg article today talking about $100 silver again. So what is UBS saying? Is it 100? Is it not? I don't know what's going on, but UBS is saying all kinds of mixed messages right now, and I'm not shocked. They are big bankers. And ladies and gentlemen, who else is going to be sipping Mrs. International Stacker coffee with us in the morning? This is M&J with their Mrs. IS coffee. Next piece of news here, ladies and gentlemen, and the market is opening in just 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Don't go anywhere. It's going to be explosive. Breaking, Kevin Warsh was cleared. He cleared a key Senate vote to become the Trump's Fed chair. A big development today. The Senate confirmed him. 51 to 45 votes. Final confirmation vote for him as Fed chair is going to happen probably tomorrow. But here's the twist. Jerome Powell is staying on the board until 2028. This is the first time in 78 years this has happened. And I believe the last time it happened is because the president asked the person to stay on. Potential fireworks incoming between the new chair and former chair. What do you think is going to happen? What kind of conspiracy do we have going on?
How dare you?
Okay, here's another piece of news here. The U.S. is quietly installing a silver price floor, and almost nobody is talking about it. New deep dive on internationalstacker.com. And guys, if you go to internationalstacker.com, bang, bing, go here to news, and I have all kinds of news and analysis here for you. So if you want to dig deeper, you can, but here we go. Reveals compelling evidence that recent U.S. executive actions and critical mineral strategy will soon create a price floor for silver. This isn't accidental. It's part of a larger strategic realignment to secure America's supply chains and reduce dependence on China. And silver is now front and center in that plan. Physical stackers, this could be the most important thing in gold and silver for years. What's going to happen when they put in the price floor? If they do, how much is it going to be? It might be absolutely explosive. So I'm going to continue to help you guys read the tea leaves on that. And here we go. Are you still stacking? Amina is. Look at Amina. She's got her pocket pinger. She's got some sweet Scottsdale silver. Look at that. That's a stacker. She's got some, what are these, candy skulls? Isn't that called candy? No. A candy skull is called something like that. Sugar skull. Yeah. It looks like she's got monument medals here. She's got a lot of cool. Look at that. A tombstone or a pocket pinger. Amina's still stacking. Are you? Next piece of news here, they just keep printing, ladies and gentlemen. This is from Octavio. Global money supply surged by $17 trillion in just the last 2 years. War is not the only driver of inflation. Policymakers have been pouring liquidity into the system the entire time. Here it is. Here it is, and it's just going higher and higher, ladies and gentlemen. And we're just 5 minutes away. No, you're not timed out, C-130 Hercules. I can see you. You are not timed out. You are just fine. And we had the CPI report today for inflation, ladies and gentlemen. This was one of the watchouts for the week. It did come in hotter than expected, but only 0.01%, so not a big deal. And Oli Stacker sipping Mrs. International Stacker coffee. Now, I wanted to break down for you one really big piece of news, and then what happened historically when that happened. And then I'm going to go to the charts, and I'm going to be answering your questions. But ladies and gentlemen, this is serious. This is a big deal. So here we go. Major break in Indian Prime Minister Modi urges Indians don't buy gold for 1 year. In a major speech yesterday, Prime Minister Modi asked citizens to postpone all gold purchases, especially for weddings. This request was for a period of 1 year to protect India's foreign exchange reserves amid the global energy crisis. India is one of the largest gold consumers in the world, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely significant. First, the government asks, then the government demands, then the government bans, and then they confiscate. The real aim, ladies and gentlemen, reduce gold imports into the country. Lower imports means lower trade balance. It slows the outflow of U.S. dollars out of the country, and most importantly, it keeps that paper, fiat currency, in their banks to keep it solvent. And remember, we don't say history repeats, but history rhymes. So here you go. First, the government asks, then they demand, then they ban, then they confiscate. This is exactly what we went through my head when Prime Minister Modi urged Indians not to buy gold for 1 year. This happened before in India. Back in 1968, the result, Indians, of course, didn't listen. It was a massive black market which exploded. Smuggling accounted for 30 to 70% of all gold entering India. The law was a total failure and was finally repealed in 1990. The Gold Control Act of 1968 was introduced partly because heavy gold importers were draining the country's foreign exchange reserves and putting further downward pressure on the rupee. It happened before, and it's happening again. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen, and we are just minutes away from the Shanghai Futures Exchange opening, 2.5 to be exact, and I'm expecting a gap up. Let's do a little bit of analysis here. And guys, welcome to the stream. We've got 1,000 people on, 344 likes, so please smash the like button. And of course, you got to subscribe because I'm doing my Megagon, not the too distant future. We're up to 51 ounces of silver, 50-ish ounces of copper, and some gold. And I just added this one of only 5,000 Germania Mint, brand new premium coin. I don't even think this puppy's released yet. It's in the Megagon. Who's going to get it? Who wants to win it? And don't forget, the person who gets Soup for John not only gets the 1/10 American Gold Eagle that Chris Simic is sending in the mail, but shout out to Bill, he's sending 2 silver rounds. So whoever gets John Soup is going to get 2 silver rounds, that 1/10 ounce Gold Eagle, and 3 No Soup for John shirts. Who's going to claim it? Who's going to stack it? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are literally only a minute and 30 seconds away from something historic. We're at 87.38. If we go here to Shanghai, 87, I think we're going to gap up to right around here. Do you guys, are you team green? Are you team red? Let me know in chat right now. And I did want to shout out a few people. I wanted to shout out to Okie Stacker, Oli Stacker for trying to get John Soup. I really do appreciate that. Michael D, of course, for those 10. Fingers for the 10. And Barcoded Droid donated members right when I ended my stream earlier. So I wanted to say thank you to him. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute warning. I believe we're about to see a major gap up in the Shanghai Futures Exchange to over $97 an ounce. We're going to find out here in just 50 seconds. And a big shout out to Richard Metcalf. He just gifted a membership. That went to Jennifer Peterson. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I hate to say it, ladies and gentlemen, no Soup for John!
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
And ladies and gentlemen, we got 20 seconds till we open here. And we are just literally 27 subscribers from 69,000. There's got to be 27 of you in there somewhere. Please subscribe. Let's get a big show going. Sure hope we don't see the gap up or down. Are we downward fat? We'll see. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Big gap up. Big gap up on silver. Massive gap up on silver. Oh my goodness. We just took out multiple targets. We just hit $98.13 on a massive gap up on silver. Wow. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. I knew it was going to be explosive, but not that explosive. And Colleen, thank you so much, Colleen Stacks. Just gifted 5 memberships. Those went to Silver Stallion, Black Power. It's Dubs. It went to Tyler. It went to MDK. Congratulations. Say thank you to Colleen for those custom channel member emojis. And silver's pushing even higher. We just made a new trading session high of 98.34. And I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
And ladies and gentlemen, silver is pushing absolutely higher after gapping multiple dollars in the Shanghai Futures Exchange. We're up to 98.24, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going even higher. What's about to happen? What's about to go down? How high are we going to go this evening? Is Shanghai going to break $100 an ounce this evening? We're about to find out here in short time. And someone asked, okay, we're 105 members away from the next emoji. It's going to be a little bit. We need 105 members. Somebody's asking for the next emoji. So it's going to be a little bit of a fight, but we'll get there eventually. But we're now at $98.01. Wow. And look at this. COMEX wants to go up too. I would love for COMEX to bounce real quick, fill this gap, and then go higher. I would love for something like this to happen. Something like this. Something like this. I would love for something like that to happen. We call that the wacky W. Okay, gold is doing its thing, 47.10. Back to Shanghai, currently at $97.82. Jonathan says, if I can't get soup, can I get a second verse to the No Soup for John jingle? Please, sir. Oh, you're going to have a whole song, John. You don't worry about it. You're going to get soup one of these days. Guys, and Colleen Stack wants to take a trip to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Now, we are absolutely ripping right now on the Shanghai Futures Exchange. This is the price in China, $98.23. But I think we need a little bit of encouragement here. So there's something you all taught me in Boca Raton, Florida, that some scientists say works 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I'm telling you, that lizard was massive. I thought it was a gator. It was going to take my hand off. Man, silver's over $98 in Shanghai. Guys, are we going to break 100 in Shanghai imminently? That's 99. That's 100. Let's put in a couple targets here. Let's put in a couple McTargetsons here. Okay. Remember, this was the trading session high earlier. We're already over the highest high of the day. As we're going to see what Shanghai Futures Exchange does here with an absolutely massive green candle. Wow. We've got 1,100 people on the stream. Please smash the like button. Please subscribe. We are only 23 subscribers away from 69,000 subscribers, guys. Can we do it tonight? Kane West, will I ship what to Australia? What do you need shipped to Australia? Let me know. Woo! Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. If you got questions, put them in chat, but you got to tag me. Tag me like this at International Stacker. It makes it orange. If I don't see the orange, it's hard for me to find you. Wow. We're taking a little bit of a breather here, but I feel like we're about to see something magical. Guys, look at oil. Oil's all down 0.5% to 1%. DXY's only up 0.03%, so that's probably going to reverse here pretty quick. What's the price of rice in China? I don't know, Big Green. I'm not covering the rice in China. I don't know. Christian here says, better start practicing your Chinese again. Li shi zhe gua die. Well, let me check. Hold up. Let's get it right. No. English to Chinese. Guys, this is what we were doing before.
Li shi zui gou dian.
Li shi zhe gua dian.
Li shi zui gou dian.
Li shi zui gua dian. I'm ready. And guys, Craig Carr just gifted 5 international stacker memberships. Trying to get John Soup. That went to K-Jax. It went to Miles. It went to Webbin. It went to Walter. And it went to I Can Do More Than Sell Silver. That's a cool name. Congratulations. Say thank you to Craig for your membership. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And the next time I do a channel member only War Room, which will be tomorrow, you're invited to it. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. What do you guys think of my new silver turtle? I sent in the 90% silver to Doughboy, and he made one for me and one for Rat Stacker. You guys like that little turtle? Let me know. I think it's pretty cool. Mr. Doughboy, he actually sent me this. He sent me this. Look at this. Mr. Doughboy and Susie, and he sent me a silver bell. Maybe I'll give the silver bell away in the Mega Ga. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it away. And we got 1,100 people on the stream. Thank you so much. Keep smashing that like button. We're only 35 likes away from 500. As silver is starting to find its footing here. We do want to fill this gap because I desperately want to play the Gap song. It's one of my favorite. And look at that Richard Metcalf in chat saying, I like turtles. Oh, yeah, Ralph Ramsey. Guys, check out my website, internationalstacker.com. It's free, 0 ads. You come here, go to live metals prices. You can see the Oneida charts anytime, day or night. You got gold, you got silver, you got copper, platinum, and palladium. I added the gold to silver ratio here. You just click each one. You can manipulate the charts. You can move it out. You can zoom in. You can zoom out. Up here, you can change to different currencies. If you want to see which markets around the world are open, here you go. It shows you right there. If you want free resources, if you want to see where I'm hiding 25 ounces of silver across the nation for you to find, just go check out internationalstacker.com and rock the night away. I've actually been using it, guys, for resources. It's made my life easier. I have one place to go now. No soup for wizards, says Merlin. Sorry, Merlin. 603AG says they are smashing. Might actually get to fill the gap after all. We'll see. This is the formation I want here. We'll see if we can do that. And AG Hoarder says, I'm naked! Well, AG Hoarder, if you're naked, at least you're not in the war room currently, because clothing is not optional in the war room. But I never made a rule for this live chat, so I don't know. I guess it's no. What is today? Tuesday? No Pants Tuesday? I don't know. Who's wearing pants? Let me know. Turtle soup for you, says Bradley. There you go. Let's see what you guys are saying to me here on X, previously known as Twitter. Look at this blue shadow. Ripple effect. One of those things that could destroy the universe. Wow. Thank you for putting it out, Bullion Advocate. Look at BAM, all green today. Thank you, International Stacker. Look at this. Nice. Congratulations to Bam Bammy. I'm happy you're doing well today. And Jay Hartz is tagging me in here. Clarity, the deal that could change for. I need to read that. I need to read that later. Here's from Blue Shadow, a nice example of how resistance left April 17th for our chart became support. Right at to May 12th 5-minute chart. Made silver bounce back up twice to 83.08. So let's see here. Okay, this is May here. This is May 12th. Go to the other one. Yeah, look at this. 83.08. Let's go back. There it is right there. Break through it and we come down and bounce off. Thank you for that, Blue Shadow. That's mega. Thank you, Sicilian, for putting the live stream out. Thank you, Blue Shadow, for putting it out. Thank you, Life is Good. Is it true COMEX halted trading twice? I can't find any proof, guys. I don't know, Harry. I've been trying to find proof that COMEX halted, because when the COMEX halts, they have to put out a notification. I couldn't find anything. Did I get the third mystery package yet? I did not get the third mystery package yet. Rick Harrison. Rick Harrison sent me a mystery package. He sent me this gator with an articulating mandible. And he did for Rat Stacker, my daughter's birthday. He sent this crab necklace for her. Thank you. I have not seen the third package yet. And I'm scared. And oh my gosh! Milk Spots gifts 20 memberships. He's trying to get John Soup. It went to Hollow. It went to Den. It went to Tommy and Yusuf. It went to Mark. It went to Matto. It went to Pickle. It went to Emery. It went to Impala. It went to Vapor. It went to Apple. It went to Iran. It went to Clippy. It went to Soul, Mama, Juliet, Matthews, Fireside, Patriot, Apple something. Wow. And also, too, Alpha Crab joins the party, gives some membership. That goes to Drew. Say thank you to Alpha Crab, Drew, and everyone else. Say thank you to Milk Spots. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
I hate to say it, no soup for John. And Silver Slugger, thank you for that little gold coin emoji. And guys, Silver just busted a new trading session high on the COMEX for today, $87.73. It's heading towards our next target of $87.98. And Shanghai is breaking out. Shanghai's breaking out. We're up to 98.54. Our next target is 98.69 here, ladies and gentlemen. And gold's kind of just doing this little thing here. Gold's like, I don't know, I might go up, I might not. Look at this cross here. We got a cross of the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. Oh my goodness. And Feature Motive gets 5 International Stacker memberships. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Feature Motive. And those went to, drum roll please. It went to Motor, it went to GGC, it went to CB, it went to Yes, and it went to Mitmont. Congratulations. Check out your new custom International Stacker emoji. Say thank you to Future Motive. And guys, remember, there's a major bounty. Whoever gets John Soup, shout out to Bill. I just got these today from Bill. 2 999 silver rounds are going to be given away to whoever gives John Soup. And Chris Simic is sending a 1/10 ounce gold American Gold Eagle that's going to be in here as well. That's going to go to whoever eventually gets John Soup. And I'm going to give you 3 No Soup for John t-shirts as silver pushes higher here. But thank you so much, Future Motive, and I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
And Emil in chat asked a question that a lot of people end up asking. How much silver is enough? And I've asked myself through the years, I said, am I going to stop here? Am I going to stop there? Honestly, I don't think it ever is enough. I think I'm just going to keep on stacking. And Alpha Crab here says, Soupathon is on. The kitchen is open. Ladies and gentlemen, Alpha Crab saying the soup kitchen is open. Any crustaceans who need soup, say I need soup in chat and get your bowls ready. Whoa. What does the no soup for John mean, says Mr. Bill? Well, guys, if you want to know what it means, just go to my channel. Click on channel lore right here. All the memes on my channel, everything, Days of the Camel, Mrs. IS, the Pirates, the Mega God. This tells you and explains to you everything that's happened. And the last thing here explains to you what No Soup for John means. And if you click here, there's actually a countdown. It's been 20 days of No Soup with John. So check out internationalstacker.com. It has in-depth information on all the channel memes, lore, and mythology. I think you'll enjoy it. And Ralph Ramsey says, people are asking how to donate for the Mega God. If you want to send something in for the Mega God or for the person who eventually gets John Soup, all you got to do is ship it to me. You can put ! shipping in chat. That will give you my P.O. box. Just ship it. Make sure to put your name in the package and what it's for. Is it for Rat Stacker's birthday? Is it for No Soup for John reward? Or is it for the Mega God? You got to let me know. If you just send it to me, I'm not going to know. I've had people just send me things with no name, no nothing. I'm like, So I just put it in the Mega God. That's what I default to. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ladies and gentlemen, CIO Trip going absolutely insane. CIO Trip gifted 50 International Stacker memberships. I'm not going to be able to read them all. I'm just going to look through for John. I'm just looking through for John. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, CIO Trib. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm looking through them. The bot is picking people. The bot is rapidly picking people. I'm looking. Oh my goodness. Is John gonna get it? Is John gonna get the soup? Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Still City, you deleted you deleted his message. Thank you so much. And I hate to say it. No soup for John.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Steel City, you hid that message. What were you doing, Steel City? You hid his message. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. It went through still. It went through. Don't worry. It went through. But Steel City was trying to moderate someone. He clicked the wrong message, I think. Thank you so much for that. Oh, sorry. I was on the wrong screen. Sorry about that. Thank you so much. Wow. That is epic. I'm back. I had the wrong screens. I got sidetracked. And silver just pushed higher in Shanghai. $98.75. Wow. Okay, I need to go. I'm gonna need to see how close we are to the next emoji. We gotta be close. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's see here. Yeah, I forgot to switch the channel. I'm sorry. Guys, we're only 24 members from the next emoji. We're only 24 members from unlocking the next emoji here. Wow. Keep smashing that like button. Guys, we're only 18 subscribers away from 69,000. It is easier to hit a 0-0 on a roulette in Vegas than to get John Soup, says Mega Gustavo. I know. It's hard. Yeah, I left it on the wrong screen. I'm sorry about that. I got excited. I started screaming. Steel City. We're down to 53.78 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold here. What does the green on the name mean again? That means you got a membership, Joshua. That means you're a member of the channel. And if you didn't buy it, that means somebody gifted that to you out of the goodness of their own heart. How many soups were given away since John got hungry? I don't know. 1,000? I don't know. It's been crazy. Michael D's gone insane. CIO's gone insane. Keith Peavyhouse, Jeff Stout's gone. Everyone's gone crazy. And Keith Peavyhouse just gifted 5 more memberships. And that went to Oki Sooner, went to Brian, it went to Imlork, it went to Ash Lee. It went to Vegas. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I hate to say it. Oh, wait. Milk Spot's another 20 memberships. Oh, my goodness. Everyone, get out your bowls. Get out your bowls. And those went to Philippe, went to Christopher, went to Penelope, went to a bunch of other people. It's going to a bunch of people right now. I'm looking for John. Does it say John's name? It's still giving him out. Oh, my goodness. I hate to say it. No soup for John.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Yeah, soup is membership. So getting soup means you get a free membership. That's what that means. Somebody's asking how to get to memberships. In the chat screen, at the bottom right part of the chat, you'll see like a dollar symbol or plus symbols. Click those, and one of them says gift to memberships. That's how you do it there. Wow. Let's go back to Shanghai here. You guys are wild tonight. We got a full-blown soup kitchen going on in here. And guys, we are only 16 subscribers from 69,000. The next 16 people to subscribe are going to get good luck for 15 years.
It's science.
And it's free. It's free. Wow, thank you so much. And 3D Woodworks coming out of the woodwork, gifting 5 memberships. It went to iFocus. It went to Charles. It went to LL. Not Cool J. It went to LL. It went to Leah. It went to Mr. Fantastic. Congratulations. Say thank you to 3D Woodworks. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
And looking in chat right now, guys, in chat, Okie Sooner and iFocus are both saying thank you for the memberships. That's mega. Congratulations. Congratulations to everyone who got soup. But guys, more people want it. Look at Kyle in chat. Kyle's saying soup, please. John's saying, please, sir, can I have some soup? Tracy's saying no soup for John. Ahmed is saying, stop it, please. Stop the madness. The dude says he's chasing the MILF. John, no soup John says, come on, strike. Wow. We need a baby gator, says Craig, coming right up.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Wow! Thank you for that goat. Thank you for that goat, Nick Bell. I appreciate that. And ladies and gentlemen, as this epic music plays, we are literally fighting against the big bankers as we see silver pushing even higher. We're currently at $87.20 in the COMEX. We're currently $98.08 in Shanghai. Guys, we were almost at $99 and we're not done yet. Are we about to break $100 an ounce in Shanghai? Am I going to be yelling Li Shizhe Guardian yet again? And C-130 Hercules says he wants soup. Whoa. Bob says he wants soup. Hey, International Stacker, I used the pinger on Mrs. Variable today, and she came up a fake. I doubt that. I bet she came up 999 fine for you, Variable. I'm sure of it. How do we get a free membership, says Average John? Oh, that's another John that wants soup. You need to turn on... Anyone who wants soup, you've got to turn on the ability to get it. Here's supposedly how you do it. Go to my channel. There'll be a join button here. Click the join button. Then somewhere over here, you'll see 3 dots. You click the 3 dots, and then you got to turn on accept gifted memberships. You got to turn that on if you want to get the soup. Dominatrix says, don't explain it. Better chance for you to get soup. Woo! Thank you for that goat trophy. Wow, you guys are insane. And Top of the Matrix gifted a membership. I missed it. Thank you. Let's go to the field and see if that got John soup.
Hey, Cargo Bob, we're downtown Key West right now. You want to go get some soup?
No soup for John.
No soup for John. How do you say that in German?
Keine Suppe for John.
I'm here in Key West, Florida, and some dude on the internet gave me crabs.
Some guy on the internet just gave me crabs.
Now, guys, what would you say if I told you John actually did get some soup, but it's not what you think? What if I told you John got soup, but it's not what you think? Tell me what you'd think. A big shout out to Lady. Thank you for that laughing disco ball. And thank you to Nick Bell for that goat trophy. I do appreciate it. What would you guys say if John actually got soup, but it's not what you expected? Thank you, Bob, for that waving creature. Okay, John actually... Okay, first I need to shout out Alpha Crab. Alpha Crab gifted 5 memberships. That went to Scott. It went to Robert. It went to Steve. It went to Morse Code. It went to Ace Tone. And B Collector gifted 5 memberships. It went to Aaron. It went to QC. It went to it went to Mitch. It went to Decaps. And it went to Tampa. Congratulations. Say thank you to B Collector Rick and say thank you to Alpha Crab. Thank you so much. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
Hey, thank you for those emojis, guys. But I actually got in a shocking video. Now, John did not get soup how we think, but somebody out there did clandestinely send John some soup. Let me show you what happened. This is real footage sent to me by John.
As they're telling me it's over, I'm still stacking. As they're telling me to do something else, I'm still stacking. As the big bankers tap the COMEX, I'm still stacking.
What the hell?
Because I know the
Somebody sent John Maryland crab soup. That was really John, and somebody sent him that. You guys, we got Yankee Stacking here. Yankee Stacking's in the house saying, how much would we need to super chat for you to finally buy some flippin' soup for John, says Yankee. Well, Yankee, it's bigger than that now. Look at this, Yankee. There's now a treasure chest. Whoever gets John's soup gets everything in here. So far, there's 2 silver rounds in here, 999 silver. And there's about to be a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle in here, donated by Chris Simic. This is from Bill. Thank you. That's a little side quest, Yankee. But right now, I have over 51 ounces of silver. I've got over 50 ounces of copper. I've got some gold, and that Mega God's going to keep growing. And Yankee Stacking, what if I told you right now that we were only 14 subscribers away from breaking 69,000 subscribers here on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen? Just 14 away. Wow. Wow. If you guys don't know who Yankee Stacking is, you're sleeping. And Lisa here says, don't Steve still have a bounty for soup? And John, oh, I think Steve did. No, Steve's expired. There is another one, though. I forget who. Somebody's going to gift a 10th ounce of platinum if he gets it by Saturday, I think. The default for gifted is on. Okay, thank you, John. Thank you for that. Keith Peavy House saying, is silver stuff even happening? I'm more fascinated with John's soup. Has anyone said the flavor of soup he wants? Not sure what silver tastes like. Empirical data needed, says Keith Peavy House. John, what kind of a soup do you prefer? Put it in chat. Is it chicken noodle? Is it chicken noodle? Is it is chili a soup? Is bisque a soup? Let us know what kind of soup you want, John. And Yankee Stacking, have you seen the Fill the Gap song yet? Have you seen it? Have you seen Going to the Moon yet? Guys, should we show Yankee Stacking a few of the scenes? I don't think he's seen them all. Let's see how he answers this question, but I might show him a few out of sequence if you guys are cool with it. Let's see how he answers us here as I take a sip of H2O. And Daniel says, silver, chili is not a soup, says Dan. Okay, so Yankee Stacking, every time we fill a gap, here's the Gap song. And then, Yankee, if somebody wants to take a trip to the moon, we got that too.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
And I did want to shout out and thank all the Diamond Claw level members on the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the channel members. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Thank you for all the gifted memberships, guys. You're all so mega. And the question for everyone in chat right now is, who's got Diamond Claws?
Diamond Claws.
Who's got them? What did you think of those scenes, Yankee? Did you like them? Okay, we need a baby gator, Joshua saying. Baby gator coming right up.
How to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Okay, and Brian saying, somebody help. I can only see options for super chat and weird laughing disco ball things. Can't upgrade memberships or gift them. Thanks. Want to get John soup. I'm not sure what's up, Brian. You can email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com, and I could try to help you figure it out off stream. But if you got gifted your membership, if you got soup, you're not allowed to upgrade your membership until it expires. That could be your issue. That could be your issue if you got soup. In real life, I like chicken and dumplings, says No Soup John. Wow. Wow. And guys, look, it's almost following the formation here. I really do want to fill that gap, and I hate to say it, that looks like a classic shark fin there. And Fathom That SC in chat says, please, sir, I want some more soup. May I have some soup, please, sir? Okay, we got controversy, guys. Keith Peavyhouse is saying chicken and dumplings go in soup. It isn't soup. Whoa. And Tyler saying, IS, why can they see the moon when they get to the moon? I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Kjax just gifted 5 memberships. That went to SKR. It went to Chino. It went to Lech. It went to Lolly. And it went to Carrie. Congratulations. And guys, Milk Spots just gifted 10 memberships. Everyone's trying to get John Soup ASAP. Those went to Swole. It went to Rosie. It went to Joe. It went to Slade. It went to CBA. Rob. It went to Fluid. It went to Down. And it went to Dr. G. It also went to Elfie. Congratulations. Make sure you say thank you to KJack76. Make sure you say thank you to Milk Spots for those memberships. And I hate to say it, Yankee. I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And breaking news. We added another emoji, so I'm going to save it. I'm just going to throw something random in it. Hold up. So now we got to make another custom channel member emoji, guys. Oh, what do you guys want? What do you want? Okay, hold up. I'm just going to put something random in it for now. And we'll fix it later. I'll put another little soup can. I'm putting a little soup can in there temporarily, and we need 168 more for the next one now. Oh my gosh. And Keith Peavyhouse just gifted 5 international stacker memberships. Ooh, OC Stacker got one. Night Watch. Stephanie got one. Milk got one. Gen X got one. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And guys, this is no longer a stream about silver and gold. It is a stream about a soup kitchen.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And here's the good news, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like we're about to fill this gap. So I'd love to fill this gap, then go higher here. We'll see if we can do that. Shanghai Futures Exchange silver right now is $97.73. We were just a stone throw away from 100. Oh my gosh! Mrs. SP just gifted 20. Oh my gosh! It went to Paul. It went to Gypsy. I can't even read them all. So okay, did it need to go to John? I'm looking for John. I see AZ. I see our leg. Psycho. Big Red got one. JB. I hate to say it. I don't see it. No soup for John.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good
OC
soup.
Stacker saying thank you.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And guys, there's OC Stacker in the chat saying thank you for the membership. Wow. You make sure you say thank you to Mrs. SP. Mrs. SP, make sure you say thank you to them, OC Stacker. That's mega. Guys, this is getting absolutely insane. This is getting absolutely insane. This is getting out of control. This is getting absolutely crazy. I don't know what to say except thank you so much. You guys are so awesome. You guys are so mega. Thank you so much. The God Goblin is pleased. The God Goblin is pleased. And when the God Goblin gets pleased, they give away. They add more gold and silver to the mega. The soup is pumping out of the wall, says Alpha Crab. No, we have not hit the big show yet. Okay, guys, here's the situation. We are literally 12 members away. No, not members. We are 12 subscribers, which is free, away from breaking 69,000 subscribers. Just 12 of you watching right now. If we break 69,000 to live, we will be doing a big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. Wow. Whew. We're so close. 12 subscribers away. Keep it down. I'm getting there. It's late, says Rick Harrison. Wow, that's a great giveaway. Was it not announced? Look, it is announced. Look at this. I'm up to 51 ounces of silver I'm giving away to you. I'm up to over 50 ounces of copper I'm giving away to you. I'm up to gold. That's in the upcoming Make a Guy. You got to be subscribed, turn on the notifications for that. And for every who gets John Soup, there is a bounty. And of course, when it's time to give the stuff away, I will give the rules. YouTube's not a sponsor, void or prohibited, etc., etc. But this is a bounty. Whoever gets John Soup is going to get 2999 silver rounds. And Chris Simic just popped in the mill. You're also going to get a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. That's going to be in that treasure chest, and 3 No Soup for John t-shirts. Good news, ladies and gentlemen. Exactly what I wanted to happen. We're going to bounce down here, hopefully fill this gap. Let's watch this with bated breath right now. Congratulations, man. You deserve the generosity. Thank you, A-Dub. I appreciate it. Thank you. You guys are all mega. Woo. Alpha Crab says, we're running out of onions and chicken stock. The soupathon is a blowout. Dominator in chat says they want crab soup. Someone says, show me that shoe. Aaron here says, looks like there is a first month free promo. Not only if you're in Hong Kong, but I was able to join for free just now. Shut up. You guys, there might be a 1 month promo to join. Aaron, explain it to everyone in chat. How did you join for free? Ladies and gentlemen, we filled the gap.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green, close that gap, stack silver with me. We filled that gap, turn the candle green, close that gap, stack silver with me.
We filled it, and SGT Stacking just gifted a membership. That went to UK and US. Congratulations. Say thank you to SGT Stacking. Check out your new custom channel member emoji. And guys, if you missed it, SGT just sent me this in the mail. I'm not leaving. But look what he made me. He made me a new CYO Tino bar. How sick is that? Shout out to SGT Stacking. Thank you so much. And I hate to say it, SGT. No soup for John.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Woo! And East Tennessee Fishing just gifted a membership. That went to Ann. Ann, congratulations. Say thank you to East Tennessee Fishing. Let's go, East Tennessee Fishing. I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to go to the field and see if you got John
Hey,
Soup.
Cargo Bob, we're downtown Key West right now. You want to go get some soup?
No soup for John.
No.
Ah! So close, but so far. Thank you so much, East Tennessee Fishing. You are mega. Guys, look, we filled the gap and we immediately sprang back up. Look at that. Look at that. So buckle up here. This might get wild. This might get absolutely insane. We like sprung right off that. Oh, did Aaron answer that question? Let me look up. Let's see what Aaron said. Supposedly, Aaron said he was able to become a member for free. There's a 1 month promo. I don't know. Oh, wow. You guys, Aaron went to buy a membership and it said it was $0 for the first month. I wonder if you got soup. Aaron, do you think you got soup by chance? And guys, look at that. Wow, Bridie Lee just updated to Diamond Claws. Thank you so much to all the Diamond Claw level channel members on this channel. Thank you to all the channel members. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Thank you so much. And I want to ask everyone in chat right now, who's got Diamond Claws? Who's got them? Who's got them, ladies and gentlemen?
Diamond Claws.
Okay, I've got a situation. I've got a situation right now. We are only 10 subscribers away from 69,000 subscribers. Can we do that here live, guys? 10 more subscribers. And here's my situation. I gotta pee. I gotta pee like a racehorse, but I'll be quick. I'm literally gonna raptor run. I'll be back in like 35 seconds. I'll wash my hands very quickly. I'm gonna be right back. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. What happened to while I was gone? What happened to while I was gone? I washed my hands. What happened while I was gone? What happened? Whew. You guys, when I Raptor run, I get up on the balls of my feet. I retract my hands in towards my body. Looks almost like little T-Rex arms. I lean forward, shifting my center of gravity, and I literally trot through the house like a raptor. Oh my gosh! Milk Spots just gifted 10 memberships. That went to, it went to Too Many, it went to Amelia, it went to Berg, it went to Stein, it went to Yag, to D Funny, it went to Kay, it went to Jake, it went to Sandra, it went to Key. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, but I hate to say it, no soup for John.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Wow, thank you so much, Milk Spot. Thank you, everybody. What a wild night. CIO Trib, guys, gifted 50 memberships. That's the record tonight. At one time. CIO Trib did 50. That was crazy. I think Milk Spot might be tied at 50. Let me see if I can figure it out. Milk Spot's done a lot tonight. Thank you, Milk Spots. Thank you, CIO Trib. I'm drowning in soup. Please. John, please help me, says Keith Beebehouse. Keith is drowning in soup. Hey, CIO Trib, thank you so much. Are you still here? Thank you. Thank you, CIO. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mrs. SP. Thank you, Milk Spots. Yeah, Milk Spots has done 60. I think Milk Spots has done 60 memberships tonight. Wow. Wow. Absolutely insane. Thank you so much. Guys, we are 10 subscribers. No, we're 8 subscribers away. We are 8 subscribers away from the next big show, 69,000 subscribers, and that's absolutely insane. And guys, don't forget, if you joined late, silver's pumping right now. We're at 87.06 on the COMEX. Shanghai's at 97.99, but check out internationalstacker.com. It's free. It's no ads or anything on here. It's got everything you need. It's got live metal prices, market hours, resources. Go check it out. Internationalstacker.com. I think you guys will love it. Wow. Okay, I got to check something. Alpha Crab, thank you. Gifted a membership. That went to Crystal. Congratulations. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. And I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Wow, and ladies and gentlemen, silver is pumping higher as we speak. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Buckle up. Look at that big, that's a big green candle if I've ever seen one. Oh my goodness. I'm just checking something here. Do you guys like the new stream music? I ditched the old company I was going with. It was just frustrating me with like pause. I was having problems. Do you guys like the new music? Woo. Oh man. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh. Dutch Murphy just gifted a membership. And that went to F. Lindman. Congratulations. Say thank you to Dutch Murphy. Say thank you. Let's go to the field and see if he got
Hey,
soup.
Cargo Bob, we're downtown Key West right now. You want to go get some soup?
No soup for John.
No soup for John. How do you say that in German?
Keine Suppe for John.
Thank you for that. CIO Trip, are you in chat? I think CIO Trip might have gotten hidden by mistake. Are you out there, CIO Trip? Can you hear me? Email me if you can hear me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. I want to make sure you didn't by mistake get hidden. It can happen sometimes. Okay. No Soup John says, we have guys in the chat now making bets on me. Whoa. When is the next war room? I'm pumped, says Aaron. In the morning. In the morning will be the next war room. In the morning. Bro, the bell cap hat is sick. I found the store. I'll be getting one. I got one from the Wild West Bullion last week too. Nice. Oh, ball cap hat. Cool. That's awesome. No, you're not timed out, C-130. I see you. You're not timed out. I can see you. You're good. I think CIO Trip might have gotten by mistake hidden. Hold up. I'm trying to... Hold up. 1 second. Stand by. One second. All right, I'll have to figure that. I'll have to figure it out after the fact. Okay, Sage, good. One of his messages got hidden by mistake earlier. It's really easy to do. I've done it a million times, and I'm like, oh no, I got scared that I banned him from the channel by mistake. And I checked the list. He wasn't in there, but I'm like, where is he? He's gone quiet. So thank you, Sage. Appreciate it. Make sure you say thank you to CIO Trib for his generosity earlier. 50 memberships. Wow. And guys, so far, I think the course record is held by Milk Spots. Milk Spots has gifted 20, 40, 50, 60 channel memberships that I can count, maybe even more. Can we get a salute in chat? Can we get a salute in chat right now for Milk Spots? Wow. And also for CIO Trim, 50's no joke. That's no joke. Hey, Jimmy, good to see ya. Yeah, you guys are mega. Oh, did we hit it? Guys, we are literally 8 subscribers away from 69,000. We are just 8 away. That's literally like throwing a stone. Wow. And guys, we need to chant Michael D. Michael D's gifted like 500 memberships. I'm not even exaggerating. Michael D has gone absolutely insane to the point where YouTube literally said you can't donate anymore until we confirm you're a real person. So can we shout out Mike D in chat as well? He deserves it. Who wants a big show? We're only 8 subscribers away. Man, are we not going to hit it tonight? That's going to be crazy. If we don't hit it tonight, we'll for sure hit it in the morning. Guys, look at that. Michael D has gifted 550 memberships. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of soup. And look at this from Dwayne. Everybody panic. And look at this from Blue Shadow. Ripple effect. Let's go here. Let's see what people are saying real quick. Look at this, guys. This is Josh Fair. He's the CEO. He's the CEO of Scottsdale Silver, saying China is making some major moves in the silver market, acquiring vast physical metal flow in advance of something. My hunch would be yes. Oh my gosh. And guys, we're building up here. And look at this. Fights the Ballers is saying, my wife went to the dentist They said you would have to eat soup for a few days. She said, no soup for John. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Cargo Bob, we're downtown Key West right now. You want to go get some soup?
No soup for John.
No.
Oh my goodness. You guys, if this keeps pushing here, this might be explosive. This might be explosive here. We might break 100 on the Shanghai if this keeps moving in this direction. And boy, oh boy, would that be fun. Smash that like button if you guys think that. Guys, someone for the love of God hit like. There's 666 likes. We've got the mark of the beast. Somebody for the love of God hit like. It's 666. Somebody help us. We're down to 7 subscribers until the next big show here. Okay, we're off 666. We're good. 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 Fingers here says John needs to turn his bowl over so he can catch the soup. John, have you had your bowl the wrong way this whole time, John? Has your bowl been upside down? Thank you so much for the thumbs up, Christian. I appreciate that little emoji. Oh, wow. Now we're only 2 likes away from 700. Thank you. You guys, today has been a wild stream. We unlocked 1 emoji. Let's see how far we are away from another one. Let's see. We unlocked 1. And we need 126 more members for the next. That's going to take a little bit to work through. But we'll get there eventually. Owen says President Trump might be causing China to purchase tons of silver. I think China's doing it to fight against us economically. And I have an article on that. If you guys go to my website, internationalstacker.com, go to news blog. I talk all about China right here. Give her a second here. Give her a second here. Right here. China dumping $600 billion while stacking record gold. I talk about it right there. My soup is in my hands, right? Okay. John's soup bowl is in his hands, and it is right side up. Guys, we're 6 subscribers from the next big show. 6. Can we do it? 6. Can we do it? Thank you for that gold coin, lady. I do appreciate that. Wow. This is the greatest crab show on earth. Well, on YouTube anyway, says Future Motive. No soup for John. Thank you, Future Motive. You're mega. Thank you for that star, the Lone Ranger. You're mega. Guys, this new track is amazing. I like this new track. Ooh. One second here. Uno momento. Interesting. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. Okay. Are you a gambler? I bet you a silver coin. Silver hits 100 before John gets soup, says David. Whoa. Do you guys think? Carrie says the music's fire. Do you think silver hits 100 before John gets soup? What do you guys think? Put 100 in chat if you think that's true. And guys, you're not going to believe it. We are literally 5 subscribers away from the next big show. 5 from 69,000. Some call it a magical number. Thank you, Josh, for that gold coin. Yeah, a lot of people think we're going to hit it. It's okay, Barbara. John's gonna get rewarded handsomely. I have an idea for No Soup John. He's gonna like it. He's gonna like it. He's gonna love it, and he's gonna want some more of it. That is a country song. Guys, we're 2 subscribers away from the big show. If you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. We only need 2 subscribers to break 69,000. Please subscribe. I implore you. You'll get good luck for 18 months if you subscribe.
It's science.
I really want to break this with you guys tonight. We're only 2 subscribers away. Thank you, Mr. Todd, for that gold coin emoji. I appreciate it. Who would love a big show tonight? We're 1 subscriber away. 1. We're literally 1 away. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Oh my goodness. Who's it going to be? Chris Simic says, according to ballpark math, odds of getting John Soup is roughly 1 in 66,000-ish. Whoa. Kenneth here just joined the Crustacean Nation. Thank you for becoming a channel member. I'll see you in the next war room, probably tomorrow morning. I regret that I have but 1 sub to give, says JM Sparger. Thank you. Thank you, JM Sparger. Thank you. And thank you for being a channel member. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we did it. I think we did it. Let's see. 69,000, we did it! It's time for the big show!
National Aerobic Championship featuring regional finalists from all
4
across the United
times!
States competing for the title of America's best
4
aerobic
times!
athlete, presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light
4
National
times!
Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light Champion.
Thank
you! International Stacker. Thank you so much. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 2,200 videos, and ladies and gentlemen, we finally did it. After 10 years of grinding, we just hit 69,000 subscribers, and something tells me 70,000 is right around the corner. Thank you so much. Smash the like button. I couldn't do it without you. I really appreciate all your support. You are Omega. You are Omega. Woo! Okay. Here's the situation. I'm getting tired. I need to go cuddle up next to Mrs. International Stacker. But I am going to be live again in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to see what Silver and Gold does all night. It might be absolutely insane what happens tonight, and we will be covering that in the morning. So I'm going to be doing that. You hit a very good number, 69,000, says Andrew. Okay, you wore me out. Got to go tonight, says John Boy. Yeah, I'm tired too. So here's the situation. We're going to do a quick crab raid. Now, this is a small creator. He's only like 18 subscribers away from 1,000. We're going to have to manually crab raid him like the old days. So let me get the link. Now, when you go there, we're going to flood the chat. Where is it? Here. We're going to flood the chat with crabs. And smash the like button. Up to you if you want to subscribe, but we only need 29 of you guys to get them to 1,000, then good things happen. Here we go. Crab raid here. Let me put the link in chat. Go right now, because I can't send you guys automatically. There it is right there. I will pin it. Okay, it is pinned. Go there right now. We're going to crab raid. Thank you all so much. I will see you all in the morning. 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be live. And I lost. Here it is. The brand new one from SGT Stacking. Thank you so much. Crab raid them. Drop crabs in chat. Let's go smash them up. Let's have a good time. CYO, TNO. Catch you on the next one. I'll see you in the morning.